Today is 9th of April 2026 at 10:44, and we are at the house of Jeffery Lesser. The address is 16208 Brooksborn Line, Brandywine, Maryland. The zip code is 20613. Claim number is 0821983079. And we are here today to show you guys if the shingle can't be repaired or cannot be repaired. And we have our shingle. That's the new shingle right there. And we're gonna start. The first thing we're gonna do is remove the shingle. Okay, we're gonna use these tools as a snake bar, so we're not damaging the shingle. We're gonna try to not damage the shingle. Okay. You see right here, the shingle got damaged, and that's the one above the other shingle. Okay, right now, the first thing we're gonna do is remove the nails. Okay, this one, I'm trying to not lift that shingle. That up. The first one right here. Second one. We got the first thing. And if we see right here, after we remove the shingle, you see the mat got transferred, and then this shingle got damaged. You see, that's the shingle under it. And if you see the mat, and right now when we're gonna try to seal that shingle, it's already damaged. This shingle has got damaged, and that's how we're seeing it. And then and if we see here also, this one, you see this shingle got damaged. This shingle got damaged. See, that's the shingle cannot be repaired. And like if you see my hand, also, I'm trying to not lift the. I'm trying to not lift the shingle up to 3 inches. If you see, that's how I lift up the shingle, not up to the. It's gonna be up to 3 inches. You see, and right now, I got my new shingle. This is my new shingle right here. That's the one I'm gonna do. So, okay. Also, on this one, I have synthetic underlayment. Not 30 pounds, and it's not 15 pounds. It's a synthetic underlayment. Okay, and then I insert the new shingle, and I'm gonna start nailing it. Right now. Have my new nails right here, and then that's how I do it. Like I say, I'm trying to not lift the shingle up. Okay, that much. That's the first one. Got the second one. And also if you see the granules start coming off, you see the granules coming off, because when we lift the shingle up, the shingle the granule gets losses. Get that one. Let's try to not lift the shingle that up. Then we're done with it. Okay, now I'm gonna show you guys about why the shingle cannot be repaired. First of all, we have a mat transfer on this one. Like this one, because this new shingle is gonna get sealed. No, this one is gonna get sealed because we see the new seal gonna get sealed. But this one is not gonna get sealed, and then when the wind's gonna come, it's gonna get damaged again. And then the main point on this one, it's because we got granule losses on other shingles, and that's a massive granules of loss. Like you see, like this one, we know it's dark, but we see all of the granules, the ones coming off. You see, all of these granules coming off on that shingle. You see, now if I go on another shingles, the one without touching it, the one, this, then if you see, they brush it, it's nothing happens. Just do this, nothing happens. You see, nothing. Granules not coming off of it. If I go right here, you see how is that granules coming off, and the shingles already got damaged. And imagine this is just one shingle repair, and if we go on all of the slopes, if you see on this one, we got missing shingle here. To repair this shingle, we gotta remove the ridge band and the ridge cap, and then also right here we gotta remove the hip cap. Right here, if you see on this one, has many shingles damaged, and if we try to repair, we're gonna create more damages. My suggestion on this one, it's a full roof replacement as a professional and with experience in this industry. If you see right here, have shingles, and then right here, if you see it, it's on the valley. On the valley, we cannot do repair due to the IRC 2018. If you see, we gotta install the ice and water shield on the valley, 18 inches on each side. If you see one side 18 inches, one side on 18 inches, because in the valley, this one, the shingles goes, it's tight to the other side, and that means you gotta replace it. Then if you see these parts too, to repair all of these shingles, and if you already saw it, it's impossible to do the repair. So you have many shingles, the ones are damaged, and then on the back slope, you see, that's impossible. You see this one, and if I go here, have more and more shingles. Then I go on the front slope, the same thing. I have shingle missing on the valley, and it's impossible to do the repair. Also right here on this other slope, so you see right there also the ridge bend, the ridge cap, the valley, we having on the valley, and then we gotta replace the ice and water shield. It's impossible to do the repair on this roof. Like I said, as a professional, my recommendation is a full roof replacement due to the shingle can't be repaired. And also the overlaps right here, all of the slopes are connected. All of the slopes are connected. You got an overlap 6 inches on each side, so you don't have many damages on this. Thank you and have a great day.